that's... Oh, wait.
Cracky.
Very without it. Well, get that variation mark gets through the whole lot of borrow. Finally, anything I was trying to maybe, well,
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the
Dun. Right.
We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We're reaching for the stars. We're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious.
Let's see that. Those are you on the hour.
You're true. Curious.
Did you?
Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious. That's the part you always show. You're true. Curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Reaching for stars. I wonder where you are. Oh. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight. We have the world in us.
They shouldn't take a couple of spells that are east. Think you. Why do the you are? Oh. Oh dear. Good. But having with the
We are forever learning, one step at a time. As long as the world is turning, I'll be by your side.
Alright. How's that for sound? God dang it. I hate headsets. Here the audio's trying to go through my machine filter thingy. Doesn't work well. I remade some stuff trendliners since I was more or less just kind of saying there's this choppy mess. I guess I favor a little bit of downside for the short term, but thoughts are mixed. CVD's been green. Market's freaking back below the VWAP. I don't think it's going to be as simple as just blindly selling on the day, but we need some kind of setups to form here. All bunched up down here at the lows. Waiting for like trying to break a 15-minute range to the downside. It hasn't yet. I mean, it's, you could make an argument these candles are a little wicky. Probably needs to test back up to the NYSE session VWAP, but this trend line I'm watching off the highs on the tick chart, might provide some kind of like reversal setup, but if this morning's not going to provide, this afternoon or later in the day might, so just sit patient, wait. I took like minuscule scalp here. It was like maybe a 10-point scalp. Okay, it's me a couple bucks. Went to a trailing to Forcesweep here over the north. Do you kind of feel like I this leg up into the VWAP? Wasn't terrible opportunity to sell with a stop. Maybe risking 10 points. He could have captured a nice move downside with this. The only other trade I feel like I missed. This looks like choppiness. Live accounts up to $1,100. The NYSE's, I got myself out of a hole from one of our stop outs from last week or whatever it was. Market just keeps going down. Below the day session VWAP, below the London VWAP, below the NYSE VWAP. It's hard not to like sit here and then go, okay, well, where does this trend line come in? But that's the lows that we literally just bounced from. Holy shit, look at that move. Right, I wish, not really trade for me, but re-establish back above the VWAP here. I mean, I'm actually, oh man, that's such a tempting long here. It is not because the reaction we had, but we broke all this other. I'm going to give it a go. Risking 20. Fighting my own self here, but I want to move back, squeeze back above the VWAP at least. Now it's coming down again against me. Gonna get break even here if we can push to 68s. Or, I mean, not even that much higher. Okay, I'm gonna get break even now because I don't love the trade. All right, we're gonna lock in some gains here at 62.5. If it pushes one more time, give it up. And there's 62.5. We're locking in the win. Got me. That's all right. Another little scalp, I guess. This might be all today is. We're hitting the VWAP. So, you do tough trades because I'm getting like half. I don't want to say half signals, but like I'm not getting the most quality signal I'd want to get in this environment. I mean, that was a 10-point scalp. I shouldn't complain. I'm up 1R on the day from like doing not trades that lasted 30 seconds total, maybe. It do want to try to buy. I do want to buy the break out of this high here, though. Stops at break even. And then short squeeze below the view up here. Stop to 81 at 50, locking in 10 points again. All right, stop's going to come up. All right, I got out 80, not 90. I did not mean to get out there, but that's okay. We basically squeezed up into the NYSE session VWAP. On a breakout above the day session VWAP. I mean, my game right now is just like literally trailing stop faster than the market can take me out. I'm in 6 tight here because we're back into the 15-minute opening range, even though I genuinely see a good reason we should rally back to maybe that pivot on the day. If we reverse from this NYSE session pivot or VWAP and come back down, like, okay, I got a selling opportunity, right? We got a massive trend line on the day against lows. It's like a bear flag kind of situation where then we'd be breaking below multiple VWAPs. So I'm going to let that hang. But that put me up 2R on the day there, didn't it? Yes, it did. You can't complain about that. All right, you see, we're dealing with resistance in that NYSE session VWAP now. It's a fight, right? We can see the technical indicators that are trading that are, kind of getting messed up or getting played with. I don't know what the right term here today is. I was up till very late evening with my kids, who were absolutely being little jerks. Made it in the most endearing way possible. I would come back to honestly the session view up. It's holding a support for now. Oh shoot, I wanted to actually get short on that. Let me see if I can. It's a late to the party in this. I break down below the day session view up. Let's see if it just extends lower. Oh man, do not like my execution here. I tried to get an order in to sell stop in next 66s. I made it 56s. All right, stops break even. It's gonna get me. Don't get me. Go down, down, down. All right. Yeah, too much to lock in any gauge just yet. Okay. They got me. But I kind of come back up a little bit here, but I think I'm going to be looking to eventually still get short into the day session VWAP if I see any kind of reversal from it. Alright, I'm about to fire off that trade if it gives me reasons. Alright, I'm short. Looking for basically a push down to 99.20. Oh man. Trying to come back above the VWAP now. I'm pressing my luck here on this one. Wow, I hate giving back some gains, but I'm not out yet. Alright, that's about the maximum. Slide back below that session VWAP. Come on. Back below 67s here. It should flush, in my opinion. Of course, it goes up to 80s again. It's going to probably break out. Here it comes down. Safer trade would have been waiting probably for entry around now. Come on, flush 67s. Here we go. There it goes. All right, a little bit lower now. So I can get break even on a trade. Give a guy a way out. This is just like a bear flag here that I'm a little early on. I mean, I guess I'd be getting into the trade probably around now. For break of this trend line, I probably should have gotten out and then got back in. Yeah, that was stupid of me. Let's see though. They're hunting me now. Damn it. Alright, well, we're a seller at 53s this time. The one execution is created to just, you talk yourself into and around a hole. Gave back one stop there, 1 hour on the day. We were squeezing right back up into the VWAP. Got mixed dots, so not much to do. Watching the resistance here at the NYSE session VWAP after basically attempting to break lower. If he can't, I mean, I'm probably going to be a buyer on a breakout above. Yeah, I'm a buyer at 30,000 here. Basically sell out in the breakdown of this range or a buyer above the VWAP for what I think could be a squeeze back towards, 35s, although potentially at the highs of the day. I do favor this resistance holding and heading lower, but the fact that we've now double topped into that NYSE session VWAP, if we do push above it here, I think it'll go with authority. On the other side of that coin is that we're holding it as resistance. We fall back down towards 53. We break this bit of a trend line off of lows. We're going to probably come back down to lows. It's a rare instance where you actually have a fight over two technical areas that should show range expansion if they finally go. The only thing that would kill me here is a little bit of a head fake. And the market, tagging and then dropping. But I'm going to have faith in my ability here to stop aggressively, get free, right, and take what the market gives me in real time. Coming back down for now, yet another test to that Corvette session VWAP. Take my stop up to like 61. Get it just below that trend line and the VWAP at this point, because hey, if we trade 61s, we'll probably trade 51s. But we're bouncing, bottling up here during the NYSE session into the new hour. Which way does it go? Below 29,950 or above 30,000? I don't care, but I'm fairly confident it's going to go for 50, 60 points after. Or more. Mixed stops that I'm not loving. I'm almost a little more bullish the breakouts the upside out because of CVE pattern I'm seeing, but here we go. See if it goes. And it doesn't. See this little bit of a trend line now against the highs forming. We'll pull my stop down. It's 98.50. Okay, and I'm in. Stops to break even. It's going. We're going to 30. Stops up to 09s. Come on, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Stop's going to go to 12s here shortly. Don't get me. Dang, you got me. Canceling that order down below. I feel like I left a couple bucks on the table there. I might try to hop in here again if it starts to go, but I kind of think there'll be a little bit of a bull flag to let me in again. Because this could be the start of the squeeze towards highs if it really wants to go. Yeah, we're getting this a little bit of a bull flag now. There it is. There's the drop. See if it comes back for testing the NYSE session VWAP. But I definitely want to be a buyer now. Here, if it comes back up. This old trend line we're going to watch. Let me back a couple bucks from that last stop out, but it could have easily, that sucks, I could have taken plus 20 ticks. All right, we're back down below the NYSE session VWAP. Actually testing down at the original trend line support that I had have on the chart here. this seller here. The NYSE seller, the global session VWAP is right there. Oh man, that's a head fake at the, come on. Thought we were going below that trend line here. And I'm forgetting, this is a kind of a poorly executed trade on my part. Forgetting that global session VWAP was right there. I should have had my stop at 66s, not at 76. Maybe I'll get lucky here. The market gets hammered. Because if it does drop down to 70s and below, I do think we're sliding all the way back down to 91s. And actually, this is what I'm opening up. Because if this goes lower from here, I think there's a good chance we go down to that 29,826 area on the day. So we might stop or target around 30s, but I need the market to drop, and I need to be able to get free here. And it's kind of holding up, and I'm not loving this. That we're holding here, because the longer we hold here, higher probability it's going to squeeze up and get me. But if we roll below 70s, come on, do it for me. Here we go. It's my chance to get free, perhaps. See it down to 60, and I'm putting my stop break even. Come on. We'll pop back up. Stay below the global session VWAP. Oh, it's getting reactions from it. Let's see it here. Slide back below that level. Come on. Get hammered. Down to 40s here soon if it does. Basically down to this 47 area. No. 5, 3, 2, 1. New hour. Or new minute candle, I should say. Come on. Show me the money. This is all just such fast trading these days. It's hard to run a stream that's beneficial to you guys right now. Okay, beat this bounce. Come on, you sons of bitches. Should want break even. It's the old trend line resistance now, or support now resistance, so it holds here, I'm good, but it's not holding. Nope. Actually gonna give myself to 30,000 on this. I shouldn't be opening up the risk on a trade, but I do feel like it's hitting the NYSE session VWAP right now. Oh, they're gonna tag me? No. I'm gonna get hit right here. Mother. Okay, that sucks. Now I'm back to being up only a half an arm. It's gonna come right back down, isn't it? That's alright. I've got a new area. Just want to sell on a break below the NYSE session VWAP for more of a breakdown today. Oh, they went up. I was hunted. I was absolutely hunted. Still all up. Couple pennies. Not enough to catch one solid trade here, and this is just choppiness though, so you gotta be careful not to chop yourself up too much. I've already done a little bit of that, but we've been able to capture some quick ones. I have kind of impossible trades genuinely. You like follow, but these reactions from the New York session VWAP after trying to break that 15-minute range lower is kind of what I was getting after. I'm getting on here though, as we're trying to trade above that New York session VWAP again and that 1 minute high. This is gonna be going up. Press it to 20s. I'm out of it today. All right, stops at break even at least. Come on, keep going. Hoping now we flush the 30-20 area and we're basically up to 50s really quickly. Here it comes. Stop's going to be going to 18s. Stop's going to come up to 2150 here shortly. Off I got me. That's a quick 15-point winner. Makes me feel better about my day so far. If I quit right now in the head, whoa, about 1 hour. Being cautious here, but definitely want to see a bit of a bull flag setup because I'm kind of a buyer at these levels. Come on back down a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to enter here at 27s if I can get a fill. Push it is. Okay, stop's going to go to break even here soon. That push towards 40. Come on. There she goes, stops to basically break even. 27.75. I'm going to move it up to 30. 31 here if it pushes one more time. 31s, it's going to get me, damn. 4 point. Yo, but I was expecting it to maybe got too aggressive for my stop there, but I'm playing a lot of defense here. Nope, I'm happy with it. Nice little pullback here. Let's see what happens. We're kind of in the middle of the opening range, so it's a little tough, but I'm biased to go onside or above. VWAPs and all these other things right now. Been waiting for a little bit of a maybe some kind of like trend line on the highs to form here. Give me a reason to hop back in on the momentum higher. Oh wow, it's just gonna go, isn't it? Oh man, what was this pullback about? Can you just go on without this stupid pullback to 20s again? Yeah. Almost marketed in there. Alright, just be patient here, folks. Dots are starting to go green. Alright, we're going to probably have some other setup to talk about here. I do feel like I just missed my long that I wanted, so try not to like chase and tilt, right? Or the opposite. Okay, get in on a little pullback here. See if the market decides to give us a bit of a bull flag to trade and challenge. I wouldn't be surprised to see pullbacks kind of fed in here. I am gonna go long too early. What was I thinking? But well, that was a dumb trade. Just gave back my day. Now I'm flat and even on the day. Feeling like I'm over trading a little bit here. Going back basically into the New York session. VWAP, we've got a very aggressive now. Trend line off the highs. So that's what I'm going to be watching for here. All right. Oh, I did not mean to go in on a 2-lot, but okay, we're going to deal with it. Looking for basically a squeeze. Man. I'd absolutely marketed in twice, but we're going to correct that here with a break-even stop very, very quickly. Push to 30s. There it is. Stops at 28.75. Push a little higher here for me. Come on, give me a little more, a little more. Okay, well, I'm going to correct my issue here. And back in on a one lot. Add your 35s of their breaks. I'm also going to try my original entry to break even if it goes there at 28 quarter. So that entry, and then I go bring in the other piece. Holy smokes. What just happened? Yeah, I caught a good chunk of that, but damn it, somebody came out and talked. I mean, okay, I can't complain, like I just nailed, and I'm up like 4R now. What? Why do I have targets in? Oh my god, it's the fucking move I wanted. I mean, I'm not going to complain. Dots are green now, let's get back at action. We've got a trend line now forming off the highs here, all green dots. I mean, there's no reason to stop the party now if we can start, keep it going. Nice pullback here, treating the daily pivot now as support. I'm long again. Stop. What just happened? I actually even described to you what just happened on my platform. I need to go look, but I'm out of my positions. I'm up $400 in the day on the live account. Well, $2,000 on my lucids. I mean, I don't know how my sim account that's taking out. Look at this. Like, my sim account got taken out, but my lucid account didn't. I don't know how I got stopped there, but whatever. I mean, show that. A bit long again, right here. Stops at break even. They got me. They stopped to enter here at 40.69 quarter. I'm like almost flabbergasted with whatever just happened. I mean, it was a good miss for me. Oh no, come on. I just ate a stop. Oh man. Alright, so this is the shoot, that was the first fair rally gap trading in the direction of the green dots. I basically just got back in here at what? Oh my god, 2 stopouts in a row. What the fuck is going on with me? I mean, that just goes from like good luck and good trading to just bad fucking execution in like a heartbeat. I'm pissed at myself. I'm off quite a bit right now. I should probably call it for the day, but let's see what happens. I'm not giving up on today. I do think we're gonna blast to the highs here, all green dots, and I want to be a part of it. All right, let's see if I can bring today back. A little early on that one, dang, but I think it's going to go up and tag the highs again. Stops me to break even here shortly. Come on, push, push, push. No. But I would add it's 61. Then some change here. 61.75. It pushes up there. How to be long? How it doesn't come down and get me? And it looks like it is. And this is getting really fucking annoying. Where's the follow through? This is... Where is the follow through? Come on. Yeah, and I'm just giving my day back now. This is starting to get ridiculous. I need to have a lot of work to do now. I mean, my saving grace is that might have been it for now, so come on. Push. Come on. Should be stopping here. We should be pushing to 82s. Ugh. God damn it. Can't catch a winner right now. Come on. Push, push, push. Push, 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 push up to 82. There we go. Stops a break even on 1 unit. Stops going to go to break even on the other one really soon here. Push above 70s for me. Come on. Push above 70s for me. Don't come down. God damn it. This fucking market is ridiculous right now, and there's no follow through on that huge move. Great. Come down for both the stops here. That's just ridiculous. It's basically a break-even trade, but like, what the fuck? Where's the follow through? It's the most frustrating trade ever. But I am just unable to find myself a winner here. I mean, there's like, it's definitely going to come down to get me again. I'm getting sick of this. I've given back all my gains on the day now from 4 fucking trades that won't find follow through up here. That's just fucking ridiculous. We're having a terrible, terrible day. I mean, I'm up. I shouldn't be mad. But like, this was ridiculousness. A single piece of follow through in everything I watch. I mean, it's been a long time since I've seen price action like that, which I'm gonna have to sit here and be patient. Grind this back. Put your head back on. You're holding in those both highs, and I'm just anticipating another breakout of those highs. A few times I probably should trail stops break even to save myself some money there. Giving it another go here. Nothing. Nothing. Trendline break. Nothing. Green, I mean. It's just... Yeah. Yeah, not gonna lie, guys. I'm fed up with today's price action. I'm now down on the day session from being up big after like 6 stopouts there, getting complied up, completely chopped up in that. That is just obnoxious as hell. Literally the way I trade, there's no way to have made money there. What can you do? Now we pull back into the pivot, breaking down back to low into the day session opening range. Okay, this is where I second guess streaming anything ever. The inner hold. Mainly because I had a good day, I was doing well, and then I decided to kind of keep trading, and I need to stick to my game plan. Because all the trading we had after that big run up, and I'm up like 4 hours on the day, that was quitting time, 100%. I can't blame the stream or like streaming on my decision making, but like, yeah, it's obnoxious. Alright, so going to get long here. One more attempt on the day. Bit of a trend line break on this aggressive sell-off. Should have been losing. Normally that's enough to get free on a trade, and it's not even like giving me that, which is just obnoxious. But okay. Buys are out there, and I think we try to target that 30,200 level if it really starts to go. And frankly, I'm at the point of the day where I might just stick it out in this trade if I can, and not even bother trailing a stop, because, or I will trail a stop to break even or what have you, but I mean, I want vindication. I'm there, Vine. I need your hold. Okay, we're gonna be definitely trying to stop up to break even there. I'm gonna be looking to add to this trade here. I don't know what setup I'm really looking for, but do you think this is a swing that takes you back into highs? And quite frankly, I'm probably going to be trailing stops here very shortly. So I can always get back in on a trade, right? But I don't think this time it's stopping coming down. So if anything I could have added there maybe for, yeah, oh well. Gonna get back to my day here. David's out of this long still though, so god damn it, here it goes more. But I do think we're going to see a little bit of like bottling up now, before it runs the highs. So we'll be patient, look for another entry, but it's got to be a good quality setup at this point because I am frustrated as hell with today. I turned today around on that last trade. Jesus Christ, that was obnoxious. I should still be long though, which is kind of pissing me off. God, you can't buy it here. It's risking. You need to pull back. Come on. Well, back into this trend line. Something I can sink my teeth into as a setup. There we go. There's that pullback. Whoops. There's the pullback. Entering at 58. It gives it to me. The hop there, pullback happening. Is now kind of trading into a fair value gap there with green dots. Order still at 58. Might consider pulling it down, but no, 58 is right. That was a good place to add it. Deeper pullback, every tracer's kind of occurring here, so kind of being acknowledging this and watching out a new trend line and a new bear flag, but I'd still be buyer 58 if it came shocking back up there. Okay, this is the pullback I'm waiting for. I'm on the hunt. A fair value gap traded down here. Give me a little high right here at 52, so kind of improve my entry. Yeah, I'm going to put it at 52. Yep, there you go. Kind of comes down. That 52 is appropriate still. There, let's see if it does it. See if it goes. Whoa, almost an entry there. Deeper pullback now, so I'm cautious here. I'm going to probably cancel the 52 order. We're going to be this a little more aggressively here. But not aggressively, but watching this more closely. Back to the little trend line now, support. Back, it's starting to deepen, getting a much bigger, more prolonged flag there. I mean, I've probably should shut it down at this point if I'm being perfectly honest. But I kind of don't want to miss the next one if it happens, because it'll flush the highs in the day kind of thing. Oh man, there's not much to talk about today. I'm kind of mad about earlier trades, but I should be basically past these. Or, should be up twice as much as I am right now, is what I'm saying. Alright, deeper pullbacks happening, then patient waits. Dang. Alright, I got a good chunk of that. I guess I shouldn't complain. How's everybody else doing? This was a wild morning. Absolutely wild morning for... The chat is quiet in the NYSE session. A lot more quiet than we get in the Globex session. Yes, it's a fair early. Yeah, but really back down into the pivot. I mean, I see an inverted head and shoulders pattern out here. I'm definitely interested in buying the breakout of highs of the day. If I can justify... for a little late to the party on this long. Come on, push, push, push. Get that follow through now that we're breaking above the Trump half. Come on. Nope. Come on, back up. Come on. Squeeze, baby. Squeeze. Come on. Give me that indication of 35s now. Allow me to get free. We're busted out. Busted out. Busted a little bit more. There you go. Now I'm putting stop at break even. Stop's going to go up to 36.75s. Stop's going to come up. That's a little aggressive of a stop. I got to lock in something on that. I can get back in on this trade, no problem. There's a lot of room to the upside. We're going to scalp out where we can, I guess. 49s to 37s. It's not bad. We're going to get back in here. Just kind of market it in. Stop for another break even. Come on. Come on. Push, push, push. Up to 50s one time. One time. Oh, come on. Get that up there for me. No pullback. What are you doing? No pullback. See, this is the type of price action that infuriates me because it's like no follow through with green dots. You're breaking out above levels and now you just stop hunting down into like, you know, my level, my trade. Motherfucker. Oh man, I am off today. That pullback was just a fucking dastardly move. Possibly allowing here one more time. And then if this isn't it, I'm probably done for the day. Just because it's, I don't want to get back anything else if this one doesn't work. Stop to break even here. One more push into 40s for me. Come on, baby. You fucking kidding me? Come on. No follow through today. Really shouldn't come down and get me. Because I'm just off for the day. Need to probably settle down and just go home. Get away from the screens because I'm starting to get frustrated. Starting to get angry. Come on. Fucking push to 40s, not to 20s, you twat. It's gonna flush me right here, isn't it? God damn it. It's like high design just trying to frustrate me in this job. I mean, some of these trades, arguably I forced. Others I'm managing at least well. There's the fucking push. My fucking god, was it that hard? Stops to break even. Now push through, stops to 40s. Stop's gonna come out to 46 here shortly. 46 quarter is up to 53, up to 55.50 here. Fuck you, market. Up to 55 even, push the high again, don't get me, push the high. Push the 60s, come on. After this one, I am definitely calling it a day, because... Come on. Actually, I'm right, I'm out. Alright, folks, I'm just gonna call it at that for myself. Well, Genie... Literally a setup I can't say no to. This is a 10 out of 10 take. Three, two, one. Low. I can't believe what up and tick 3 in. Market's frozen to stick around. Ah, damn it. Yo, listen to myself and quit when I say I'm gonna quit. I mean, this is a double trend line break for me. I'm kind of enamored how the market's trading right now. Feels absolutely like it's hunting me. Feels personal. Hard to not make it feel that way. I'm still up on the day, but like it feels so defeating. But well, sitting here staring at $1,000 in profits and I feel defeated. But oh man. Oh yeah. The fucking hate is out, man. Like, this is a setup I don't want to miss now. Like, the break out of these highs when it comes, they're fucking be full send at 3,300. Jesus, not giving any opportunities to get in. We're trying one more time. Well, fucking sick today. Stop's gonna be break even here very shortly. This comes out against me again, I will fucking murder today. You're gonna buy stop in above that high just because I'm angry, but also because it's a fucking breakout I want to be a part of. Now what I need is the market to continue to squeeze and start locking in some gains here in the original trade. And just fucking go. Like, I want to burst up to 30,200 right here. Come on. Really want to lock in 400 once I'm missing. Wipe away the last stop out too. Come on. He stood set break even. This trade works out, folks. I am absolutely going away for the day because I'm just angry and this one will vindicate me, so it needs to happen. All right, looking for that push low 64s here. Come on. And come on. Make it quick. Do your thing. Come on, don't come back down. You go. Yeah, I'm pulling in that scalp here. It's fucking bastards. Okay. Wow. I mean, okay, I captured like 10 points on that skill and on whatever. It's probably gonna go a lot higher without me here, but it took some big money out of this trade. All right, I'm out. I'm up 1,800 now on the lucid accounts. I'm up 360 on the day in the live account. I need to just call it at that. Do you feel like I got ticked here? It's impossible not to, but okay, the fallbacks made me feel better. But I'm finding a bit of breaks out of these highs, man. I'm gonna feel like I missed a really good runner for the day, but look at this lack of fucking follow through right now. What the fuck is that? Like, are you kidding me? You break out of... You legitimately get the momentum push up to break out of these all those, and it just fucking pulls back 20 points. Like, absolutely horrendous price action today. Definitely, though, interested, like, if it could finally break out of those highs. But look at that. What is that? When you move that, then it's just flushing out everybody trying to get on here on the breakout like me. So, you know what? I hate this price action. I'm infuriated by it. I'm up decent on the day. Like, there is zero fucking reason for me to press the gas pedal. I'm going to stick with what I said. I'm going to be a good little Sith. And I'm going to call it a day for myself right here. Because yeah, my OBS is also acting up, so I need to like take a look at that, but burn it down. You can still hear me, by the way. Like, I don't know if I'm muted myself in the OBS or not. It's really blocked right now. Littering and smoking the reefer. Now you guys can probably hear me. Oh, look at that. The OBS is finally catching up. Yeah, you know, okay, I'll take it for a day, right? Like, it's a good day. Had catch up to do on these evals. I caught them up. The market's not doing what I intend here and breaking out of the highs and running. I mean, I should be up twice as much, but that's all that being said, everybody. Thanks for joining me. We'll be back here tonight for another Lovex Open. I'm shutting it down for the day before the hate gets even worse. Trading futures and falls very good as not suit for everyone. Everything you saw and see here today was just my opinion and not trading advice. And we did better than me. Got chopped up a bit. I made all the executional mistakes I could have, but focusing down, getting back in on the trade, but it ended up working out. I'm going to do a post-mortem video later, but they're going to work out or something and pull today off. Have a great day, everybody.